A warm welcome to today's class. Today we will be discussing about history of atom. I am faculty of science at Lotus Metal Foundation, Gurugram. So let's start with the history of the atom. It was around the year 460 BC when Democritus developed the idea of atom. He pounded upon materials in his pestle and mortar until he had reduced them to smaller and smaller particles, to which he defined as atoma or atoms. The word atoma is derived from Greek word, and this word means indivisible. So it was Democritus who started with the concept of atom. In the year 1808, John Dalton suggested that all the matter was made up of tiny spheres that were able to bounce around with perfect elasticity, and then he also defined them as atoms. Later on in 1898, Joseph John Thomson found that atoms could sometimes eject a far smaller negative particle, which he called an electron. In the year 1904, Thomson developed the idea that an atom was made up of electrons scattered unevenly within an elastic sphere surrounded by a soup of positive charge to balance the electron's charge, just like plums surrounded by pudding. To this he called as plum pudding model. In the year 1910, Ernest Rutherford oversaw Geiger and Martin carrying out his famous experiment. They fired helium nuclei at a piece of gold foil which was only a few atoms thick. They found that although most of them passed through, but about 1 in 10,000 hit back. So this is the experiment conducted by them using a gold foil and helium nuclei. They found that while most of the helium nuclei passed through the foil, a small number were deflected, and to their surprise, some helium nuclei bounced straight back. In the year 1913, Niels Bohr studied under Rutherford at the Victoria University in Manchester. He refined Rutherford's idea by adding that the electrons were in orbits, rather like planets orbiting the Sun, with each orbit only able to contain a set number of electrons. This is Bohr's atom or Bohr's atomic model, in which electrons were in orbits and they were exactly orbiting in the fashion as the planets they orbit the Sun. This is an example of the helium atom, which consisted of a shell. Then there were neutrons, protons, and electrons. So this is the atomic structure. That is, the atom consists of three particles: proton, neutron, and electron. Proton has positive charge, neutron has no charge, electron has negative charge, whereas the mass of proton and neutron is around 1 AMU and the electron has negligible or nil mass. Thank you for watching the presentation.